So children, we are going to do 1.5 exercise 11th NCERT Maths. Okay, from sets. First question, children, please check here. See, children, he is saying x is equal to 1, 3, 5, and y is equal to 1, 2, 3. That's it, children. This is the first question. He is asking, question is, what is union of x and y? X union y he is asking. What is the union of x and y?
1, 2, 3,
1,
5.
2, 3, 5.
Okay, children, 1 and 1 both are repeating, but you take only one time, children. 1, 2, 3 is repeating, but take only one time. 3, 5. This is called union, children. If ever they are repeating in both the cases, you take only one time, children. Don't write two times. This is number one question, children. So number two question, he is saying A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. Okay, this is A. And B, he is saying it as A, comma, B, comma, C. This is it. Okay, he is asking, what is A union B? Children, what is A union B?
A, comma, B,
A,
comma,
A, B, C,
Comma C,
E, I, O, U.
E, I,
E,
O,
I,
U.
O, U.
EI. A, B, C will come, children. Okay, and EIOU also come. A is coming two times, but write one time only, children. That is, you have to remember compulsory, children. Okay? Next one. Next one, children. Set builder form I'm writing. If ever you know, you try to tell children x such that x, okay, is a natural number and multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. X says that x
3,
is a natural number and
3,
multiples of
3,
3.
6,
9,
Okay,
12.
wait.
9,
B
12.
is there. Wait, B is there. B is there. We have to write a all unions only, children. So B is x says that x natural numbers less than 6. First, tell me what is a, children?
3,
3,
3, 6,
3,
comma, 6,
9,
Comma
9,
C,
3, 6,
9,
9.
comma,
comma, 12.
so on, because he did not say till where. Till where he did not say, children, so on. And what is B, children? Anyone?
1,
1,
2, 3,
comma,
4,
2,
5.
1,
3, 4,
2,
5.
3, 4, 5, 6. Now,
So 6
what is
more.
A union B?
Less
1,
than 6 means
2,
3 comes.
Sir, less.
3, 4.
Less than 6 he said, no? Yeah. Less than 6 means 5. Less than 6 means still 1 second, children. Less than 6, 1 second. Less than, yeah, less than 6 means, children, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, what is A union B, children?
1, 2,
Only
3,
3.
4, 5.
Yeah. 1,
It's
1,
units.
2,
3, 4,
3,
5,
3,
4,
4,
5. That's all.
6,
That
9
is A
also.
union.
9.
Huh?
6,
6,
6,
9.
9.
Children,
Sir,
actually,
it's
what happens?
union, no, sir. So it will be so on, right? If I'm
Huh?
not-
Yeah, it will be so on. No. Actually, it will be so on. Yeah. Because A union B, no, it will be so on,
Yes.
children. All the multiples. Okay. So third one, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 6, 9, 11. A union B. So, children, this you have to write again in set builder form. He is asking, children. This you have to write in set builder form. Yes, children, this you have to write in set builder form. X such that x is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, or multiples of 3, or multiples of 3. Like that you can write, children.
Sir, I didn't understand that, sir.
1 second, I will tell. Here, see, A is saying multiples of 3. So 3, 6, 9, continuously, children, it's an infinite set. And here only less than 6. A union B, when they asked, 1 will come, 2 will come, 4 will come, 5 will come. Of course, all the multiples of 3 will come. This is A union B. Set builder form. How to write in set builder form? 1 is there, 2 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. Apart from all multiples of 3 are there. Apart from that, all the multiples of 3 are there in this set builder form. Okay, children? Anyone have any doubts still? You can ask me.
Sir, can we also write as all the multiples of 1?
All the multiples of 1 now. All the multiples of 1. No. You should not write it. All the multiples of 1 means all the numbers will come. No, don't write. because from here multiples of 3 only will come. Acha, you are saying multiples of 3 are multiples of 1 only you are saying, but don't write like that.
Okay.
You have to specify what is that set. You have to specify. You can't write like that means everything is a multiple of 1 only. No meaning for set builder form then.
Okay.
Yeah, children, next one. I am giving it set builder form. First you see and tell me what is the answer. X such that X is a natural number lying between 1 and 6. This is first one. And check the B, children. B also. X such that X is a natural number and lying between 6 and 10. Lying between 6 and 10. Children, they are lying between 6 and 10. Now tell me X, what is A, children? Anyone? What is A?
2, 3, 4, 5, sir.
2, 3,
Yes,
4,
children.
5.
What is A? 2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
6.
5.
You are not able to understand. 6 also. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because equal to 6 also I am saying. Less than or equal to 6. Can anyone tell what is B,
7,
children?
8, 9.
7, 8, 9.
Only
Correct.
7, 8, 9. Now can anyone tell what is A union B, children?
2, 3, 4,
2, 3,
5,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9.
A union B will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I want this in set builder form. Anyone? X such that X
X
Is
is a
1
natural
is a
number.
natural number
is a
lying
natural
between
Greater
number
than 1
mo-
and
between
lying
1
between
and
1
10.
and
greater than 1 and equal to or less than 9.
Can I write like this? Children?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I write like this? No, sir, like this we don't want. It's like this also you can write, children. Children, like this also you can write. Okay, now? Your wish, children. It's up to you. Children, are you able to understand what is the meaning of union?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hope you are understanding, children. So please, I hope you are all copying, children. Try to copy. Next sums, children. Next sum, children. Here, what they are saying, A is equal to the elements of A are 1, 2, 3. And the elements, this is a null set. Null set means no elements are there, children. So, what is A union B? Anyone? What is A union B?
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, null set means nothing is there, children. Nothing is there. So, A union B is 1, 2, 3. Sixth question, children. Okay, sixth question is not there. Now I am starting second sum, children. Second sum. First sum is over. Second sum. So, in second sum, what they gave means A is equal to A comma B. Please check, children, all of you. B is equal to A comma B comma C. Okay. Question is, what is A union B? First one. What is A union B?
A, comma B,
A,
comma
B,
C.
C.
A comma B comma C. Okay. Now there is one question, children. Is A subset of B? This is the question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is A is a subset of
Yeah.
B?
Yes, sir.
Yes, children. All the elements which are there in B are there also in A. So A is a subset of B. Yes. Why? Because you have to say all the elements of A are also present in B. All the elements of A are also present in B. So A is a subset of B. This is second question, children. Now let's go to third question, children. I hope you are able to understand, children. Slowly try to understand. All these are very, very important. Third question. So children, he's saying A and B are two sets. A and B are two sets. Okay, such that A is a subset of B, say A is a subset of B. Then what is A union B? What is A union B? Indirectly is asking above question only, children. Indirectly is asking, children, A is a subset of B, yes, from the
B,
above
sir.
question. So when you performed the operation A union B, what is the answer you got? B. So when A union B you did, the answer you got B only, because whatever B is the answer, A union B also correct. Someone said B is very, very good, children. So when you did A union B here, you got B answer only. When A is a subset of B, then A union B will be equal to B. When A is a subset of B, then A union B will be equal to B. Try to understand. Fourth question. Children, nice questions will be there. Children, in this, so many questions will be there. I am erasing everything. I hope you understood all these things. Now, next question. In this, so many questions will be coming. Please see here, cooperate. So, children, first question. This is the fourth question. He is saying A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry. B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. C is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. And D is equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, first question in this. What is A union B? Anyone student?
1,
1,
2,
2,
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 5, 6.
That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 3, 4, 2 times are there, but only one time you write down, children. Second question. What is A union C? Anyone? A union C?
1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
2,
5,
1,
6,
2,
7,
3.
8.
5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, children, this is A union C. Third question. What is B union C? B union C.
3, 4, 5, 6,
3, 4, 5,
3,
7, 8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next question, children. What is B union D? Riddhi we will ask. Riddhi, can you tell Nana what is B union D? Riddhi? B union D. B union D. Riddhi? 3, 4. Someone tell Nana.
3, 4,
6.
5, 6,
5,
4,
8,
5,
9,
6,
7,
9,
9.
8, 9, 10.
That's it, children. All the elements don't repeat. Okay. Next, children, question is A union B union C. A union B union C, children. When a question
1,
like this
2,
comes, all the elements of A, B, C without repetition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
6.
5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
5, 6.
7, 8. Don't repeat them. Okay. Second, next question, children. A union B union D. Anyone?
1, 2, 3,
1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, children. What is B union C union D? B, C, D. B union
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are all the questions of fourth question, children. All the answers are there here. So, children, whenever you are performing union operation, if ever any common numbers are coming like this, write it one time only. Don't write it two times. Union operation. Union means all the numbers you have write without repeating them. If they are repeating also, write one time only. This is fourth question, children. Now let's go to fifth question, children. I am doing fifth question. Okay, so fifth question. Please see here. Okay, fifth question. So many bits are there, children. Small bits. Fifth question. First one. The fifth one. Children, x is equal to 1, 3, 5. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. He is asking what is x intersection y?
So 3.
1,
3 and
3.
1.
1,
1,
2.
comma 3. Intersection means common only. 1 is there, 1 is there, 3 is there, 3 is there. Intersection means common elements only. Next, children, they said A is equal to A, E, I, O, U, and B is equal to A, B, C. They said, what is A intersection B?
A, sir.
A.
Only A is there, children. Only A is there. Next one, children. Children, they have given one set builder form. If you know, you tell x such that x is a natural number, and again same, children, multiple of 3, and B same they get, children, again x such that x is a natural number, x such that x is a natural number, and it lies between 1 and 6. Same question. We already did. What is A, children? 3,
3,
6,
6,
9,
9,
so on.
continuous.
so on.
What
So
is
on.
B, children?
2, 3, 4,
2, 3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6.
5, 6.
Now what is A intersection? B. Common elements
3
3
only.
and 6.
2,
3, 6.
sorry, 3, 6.
3 and 6 is only A intersection B, children. So A intersection B here strictly, is it 3 or 3 intersection
Sir,
6?
only 6 will.
Huh?
No,
1 second. Let me see the question. Third question. Actually, less than 6 they said, children. Less than 6, I'm sorry. He did not give equal to, children. I'm sorry. Now less than 6 means 5. Now tell me what is the answer?
only 3.
Only 3.
Only 3 is the answer. Okay, children, only 3 is the answer. Like that they have given, children. Okay, so these are the questions. Some more questions are there in this. I'm erasing this fourth question. Children, whenever they give set builder form, you should be very, very careful. Okay. In this fourth bit, children, in this fourth bit, what they gave is, again set builder form they give x such that x is a natural number and lies between 1 and 6. This is it. And b is given as x such that x is a natural number lies between 6 and 10. Can anyone tell what are the elements of A?
2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
2, 3,
5,
4,
6.
5,
6.
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Can anyone tell what are the elements of B?
7,
7,
8,
8,
7,
9.
8, 9.
Can anyone tell what is the intersection B now?
Null
Null
set.
set, sir.
Null set. The intersection B is null set, children. Null set is represented like this, children. So null set. There are no elements, so null set, children. Okay. So next. Um, Next, what they are giving in this question, children, here. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Same question, children, actually we did. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. And B is equal to null set. So what is again A intersection B? What is the common, children?
Null.
Null set.
Null set. Null set. A intersection B is again null set because this is the intersection. It's only common elements we have to take. Strictly common elements we have to take, children. Okay, so these are the questions of fifth bit. Now let's do sixth bit. I hope you are able to understand very slowly. I'm telling children they are very easy sums, even though because you are dealing first time. I'm telling slowly. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. B is equal to 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay, and C is equal to 11, 13, 15. And D is equal to 15 and 17. Okay, children, first question. What is A intersection B?
7, 9,
7,
11.
9, 11.
7, 9, 7.
7, 9, 11. Next, what is B intersection C?
11, 13.
11,
11
11,
and
13.
11, comma 13. Okay. Next, what is A intersection C intersection D? Common in three of them. ACD. ACD.
11,
Null.
11.
Null set.
Null,
Nothing.
sir, null, null.
Null
Null,
set.
sir.
Yeah, A intersection C intersection D. Anything?
Null set.
Null set, sir.
Null set. Sir.
Okay. So whenever you get any confusion, you can do like this. What is common between A and C, children? 11.
11.
Intersection 15 comma 17, nothing is there, so empty set you will get, that is null set. Okay, children, so directly also you can do because you will get in 1 mark bits all these things. Next question. A intersection C, anyone?
11.
11,
11.
11.
11. Next, what is B intersection D? B and D.
Null set.
Null set.
null.
Set. Okay. Next, what is A intersection B union C? First, tell me what are the elements of A? 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection. What is B union C, children? B union C.
7, 9, 11,
7, 9, 11,
13,
13 and 15.
Now, can anyone tell what is intersection?
7, 9,
7, 9,
11,
11.
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
9,
Intersection is common elements only you should take, children. Common elements only you should take. So first I took A, then I took B intersection, B union C directly, children. Like this you can do if you don't want to get confusion. Okay, next one. In the seventh bit, children. Seventh bit is asking What is A intersection D? What is A intersection D, children?
Nil. None.
Null
Null.
set.
Next, eighth one. What is A intersection B union D? First, write down A elements, children. 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. What is B union D, children? B union D.
7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17.
17. Now, what is intersection, children? Both of them?
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. Common elements called intersection. All elements is called union. Okay, children, this is 7th sum. Now coming to 8th bit is this only, children. 8th bit. I did 8th bit only. How come I missed something else? Something I missed, children, but anyway, no problem. So I'm doing 9th. Some bit I missed. A intersection B I want. You intersection B union C I want. Tell me first, what is A intersection B, anyone?
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11 intersection. Can anyone tell B union C? B union C.
7,
7, 9, 11,
7, 9, 11, 13, and 15.
50. Now what is
9,
their intersection?
7, 9,
11.
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11. See, children, you have to see. You have to find out what is the things you are getting when you are performing these operations. This answer only you are getting. You have to keenly observe what is the answer you are getting for future. In future, we'll do all this as proofs, children. Okay. So next one, A union D intersection B union C. This is the question. Can anyone tell me what is A union D, children?
3, 5,
3, 5, 7, 9,
3,
11,
7, 9,
15,
11,
17.
15, 17.
11, 15, 17. Okay, very good. Now, intersection.
7,
Can anyone
9.
tell what is B union C?
7,
7,
9,
9,
7,
11,
9,
13.
11, 13, 15.
15, 17. Now,
7,
intersection.
9,
What is
11.
common?
7, 9, 11.
17 will not come. B union C will serve.
In B union C, 17 is not there, no? Yeah. What are the common elements, children?
7, 9, 11.
7, 9, 11.
7,
15 is
9,
there, no?
15 also.
15.
7, 9, 11, 15. Please keenly observe, children. So, like this, you are getting, children. All the bits in 6th question, I did, children. All the bits we did. Anyone have any doubts till now, children? If you don't have any doubts, I'll go to 7th question. They have given set builder form. First, you have to convert it to elements, and then we have to perform the following operations. Okay, children, they are very easy, children. What is union and intersection? You should know, understand meaning correctly. That's all. Okay, so next one. Yeah, children. So, first I'm writing all set builder forms, children. X such that X is a natural number. This is A. B. X such that X is even natural number. C. I hope you are able to understand. X such that X is odd natural number. Okay. And coming to D. X such that X is a prime numbers. Prime numbers. Okay. Children, tell me A.
1, 2,
1,
3,
2,
so
3,
on.
4, 5, 6, 7.
And so on.
Can anyone tell B?
2, 4, 6,
2, 4,
8,
6,
and so on.
8, so on.
10, 11, 12,
Can anyone tell C?
1, 3, 5,
3,
7,
5,
6,
7,
9,
so on.
11, so on.
So on. Can anyone tell D?
2,
2, 3, 5,
3,
7,
7,
11.
So. Okay, children, now. Okay. I hope you all understood. First question. What is A intersection B?
2,
A intersection
4,
B, children.
2, 4.
A intersection
2,
B.
4, 6,
4,
8.
6, 8,
2, 4, 6, 8,
6,
so
8,
on.
so on.
Only these, okay? Oh, intersection B, these will be there, children. So, X,
Sir, but so on also will be, sir. Like
so on
10 and 12.
compulsory. I don't know, so on, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
So, finally, children, when you observe this, what is the answer you are getting, children? B only you are getting indirectly. You are getting B only, children. Okay, so
Yes.
You are getting B only, children. Okay. What is the set builder form for B? X such that X is an even natural number.
Even
That is
natural.
it. Second question. What is A intersection C? 1, 3,
1,
5,
3,
3,
5,
5, 7, so
7,
on.
so on. When A intersection
equal
C
to
you
C.
perform, what is the answer you are getting, children?
C.
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 A
And
is
set builder form is
set of
this only, children. You have to observe because in future we will do all this as proofs. Okay. Third one, children. A intersection D.
2, 3, 5, 7, so on.
Okay. 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. Final answer?
D.
D. Okay. So natural number is a these B, C, D all are subsets of A, children. You should understand like that. Anyone, children? What is B intersection C? Anyone? B intersection C, yeah? B intersection C.
Null set.
Null.
Null set. What is B intersection D?
2.
Only two.
Two.
B only two. And last but not least, sixth question. C intersection D.
3, 5, 7.
5, 7, 3. 3, 5, 7.
5, 7,
7, so on.
so on.
11.
What you write, children, now? Set builder form? Set builder form? X such that X is a odd
Natural number.
prime number.
Odd
prime number.
Odd prime numbers. Please try to understand, children. Odd prime numbers. Please try to understand. Okay, children. Next one. Okay, children, one more question we will do, and after that we'll stop. Eighth question, only eighth question we'll do. I'm erasing this, children. Again, they have given some set builder forms. You have to get them. Eighth question I'm doing. Please see here. Remaining questions we'll discuss in next class, children, because so many over already. Eighth question. Eighth question, what they say? Which of the following is pairs of sets are disjoint? Disjoint means they are not common. Please see, children. First one. First one, you see, they have given first bit in this. Children, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4. And other one is X such that X natural number lying between 4 and 6. So children, what they are asking means which of the following are disjoint? When you find, okay, when you means at least one common element is there means they are not disjoint. At least one common element should be there. Then they are called not disjoint. Okay, children. Now this is okay. Can anyone tell what are the elements of this? Anyone?
4, 5, 6.
4, 5,
4,
6.
5, 6. If I perform the intersection of this both, this is A, this is B. What is A intersection B I am getting, children?
4.
4. Hence, this pair of sets are not disjoint. They are not disjoint. At least one common element if I have, they are not called as disjoint. No, sir, we need to understand. It's one more sum, children. One set is given as A, E, I, O, U. Other set is given as C, D, E, F. Perform the operation intersection, children.
E.
A, this is B. Intersection, do we have any common element?
Yes, sir. E.
E.
So, they are not disjoint. At least one common element they are there means they are not disjoint. Okay. Third one, children. Set builder form, can anyone tell? X such that X is an even integers. They all are even integers, okay? And here, children, another set they have given as X such that X is an odd integers. Okay, children, between even
Disjoint.
and odd integers,
Disjoint,
do
sir.
we have anything in
Disjoint.
common?
No, sir.
No.
Null set. So, they are
Disjoint.
disjoint sets. They are disjoint sets. Means they don't have anything in common, children. That's why they are called disjoint sets. Okay. This was very easy, children. One more also we will do.
No, but 0 will come on.
No, 0. How it will come? No, even. How it will
Okay,
come?
okay.
Two different should be there. Children, ninth sum I'm telling, children, because we have some time. One more question I will do and we'll stop. Only ninth question we'll do. So please carefully you see, children, this is new topic. Means minus we will do. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. This is A. Check B, children. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Please check, children. C is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Check D, children. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now, first question, children, I will help you. Then you tell remaining. A minus B.
3.
Remove all B's and write only A's, children. Remove all B's and write
Three.
only A's.
3, 6, 9,
3,
15,
6, 9,
18,
15,
18,
18, 21.
21.
What are common elements? First, let us check 12. 12. Anything else common is there? Nothing is there. So everything is right. 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. That's all. Everything
The
is right.
20,
except-
21.
Huh?
20 and 21.
Why 20 and 21? No. Only A elements you should write. B you remove. Nana, I didn't write 4. See here, I didn't write 8. Please, Nana, try to understand. A minus B means any common elements are there 12. Remove all B elements and write only A elements. A minus B means. Okay. Suppose you didn't understand means I will say B minus A. Tell anyone, someone tell me B minus A.
4, 8,
4,
16,
8,
20.
16,
4,
20.
8, 16, 20. That's all. Now you understood, children? All the A elements I removed from B. That's all. This was question is not there, just for your understanding I told. Okay. So be careful, children. Some questions if you do, you'll understand. A minus C, children. Any common elements are there? 6 is
3, 9,
3,
there.
3, 9, 15,
3,
12
9,
is there.
15,
Common
18,
you see.
21.
First
18,
common you remove,
21.
children. So except 6 and 12, write everything. 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. Except 6, 12, write everything. Children, you understood? No,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
we didn't understand. C minus A. Someone tell me C minus A. Except 6 and 12, tell me everything.
2, 4,
2,
8,
4,
10,
8,
14,
10,
16.
14,
16.
Yeah, this is not there, but only I'm asking. Okay, C question, children. A minus D. Can anyone help me? A minus D, children?
3, 6,
3,
What are
9,
common
6,
elements?
9,
12,
12, 18, 21.
What is the common
15
element?
is common.
Sir,
Huh?
only 15, sir.
Only 15 is common.
Only 15 is common. Now tell me, children, A minus D?
3, 6,
3,
9, 12,
6,
18,
9, 12,
21.
18, 21.
18, 21. Can anyone help me? D minus A?
5, 10,
5,
20.
10, 20.
That's it. Fantastic. You understood now. Now, children, B minus A is asking already we did, children. Now he's asking C minus A, children, already we did that. Now he's asking D minus A, already we did that. Now he's asking B minus C. We didn't do B minus C.
20. Sir.
Yes, children, in B and C, what are the common elements?
Sir, 4, 8,
4
12,
is
16.
common,
sir.
8, 12.
4, 8, 12,
12, 16.
16.
So what is B minus C?
20.
20.
20.
What is C minus B?
2,
2,
6, 12,
6,
14.
6, 10, 14.
10, 14.
Very good. C minus B, B minus C. Okay, oh God. Yeah, children, B minus D is asking, children, next. B minus D.
4, 8.
What are common elements in this and this? 20.
20 is
Yes, sir.
Only 20 is common. Tell me B minus D, anyone?
4, 8, 12,
4,
16.
8, 12, 16.
4, 8, 12, 16. Now what is D minus B,
5,
children?
10, 15.
5, 10, 15. Sir.
5, 10, 15. Very good. C minus B, we did that, children. C minus B. Yeah, we did C minus B, we did, children. C minus B. Okay. D minus B, we did that. Yes, D minus B also. Now C minus D, he is asking, children. C minus D.
2, 4,
What are
2,
common
4,
elements? First tell me.
6.
10.
Only 10. Only
10. Yes, sir.
Only 10. C minus D.
2,
2,
4,
4,
6,
6, 8, 12,
14.
14.
16.
16 also.
Oh, yeah, 16.
Now what is D minus C?
5, 15, 20.
5, 15, 20. That's it, children. So we have done so many questions. One more question we will do so that we can claim that we have completed 10 questions, children. Very small question, children. 10th question. Please cooperate with me, children. I hope you people are able to understand now. Minus means minus you should understand carefully, children. Union, intersection, minus. You should be very careful, children. These are basic sums, children. X is equal to A, B, C, D. Y is equal to F, B, D, G. Can anyone tell X minus Y?
A, B,
A, C,
A,
D.
C,
A, C.
A, C.
Can anyone tell Y
Only
minus
A.
X?
F,
F,
F, G,
E,
F, G.
G.
F,
F, G.
G. Can anyone tell X intersection Y?
B,
B, D.
B, D.
B,
B, D. Can anyone tell X union Y?
A, B,
A,
C,
B,
D,
C,
F,
D,
G.
F, G.
F, G. That's all, children. They didn't ask anything else. I only added this question. They asked only these 3 questions, but I added one more question, children. So all the 10 questions of this exercise I have completed, children. So how many more questions are there, children? Shall we complete off this exercise, children? 2 more only questions are there. Shall we complete off?
Yes, sir.
Only 2 questions are there. Just to cooperate with me, children. In 5 minutes, I will complete. Only 2 questions are there. I hope you are enjoying the sums, children. If you really understand, you can really enjoy the sums, children. 11th question is very small question. So, R is a set of real numbers. Children, R is set of all real numbers. Okay, and Q is a set of all rational numbers. He's saying Q is set of all rational numbers. Then he's asking, what is R minus Q? What is R minus Q? From all set of real numbers, if you remove rational numbers, what do you get? From all real numbers, if you remove rational numbers, what do you get?
Irrational.
That's
Null.
all irrational numbers. That's it, children. Over. Because real numbers will have both rational and irrational, children. And removing rational means you have irrational numbers. Simple. What is an irrational number? Non-terminating and non-repeating decimal. Like suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Non-terminating and non-repeating is called it. If I remove rational numbers, only irrational numbers are left over. Last question. See, children, they are saying they gave one true or false. You tell me 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and another one is 3, 6. This is A, this is B. Are they joint or disjoint?
Is
Disjoint.
joint, sir.
disjoint.
Not disjoint. Not
Not
disjoint.
Not
disjoint. 3 is a common.
3 is common. So
Joint.
they are
Non-disjoint.
Not disjoint.
Not disjoint. Why? What is a common element, children?
3.
3 is
Sir.
the common element. So not a disjoint.
What are joint, sir?
Joint means disjoint. They are not disjoint means at least one common element are there means they are not disjoint. Joint means they will have common elements. Joint means they will have common elements.
Now they're
Disjoint means
joint
they don't
only,
have
sir.
common elements.
Yes, sir.
Disjoint means they don't have common elements.
Okay. Sir.
Please
So they can
don't
be
confuse
even
yourself.
joint, no, sir.
Huh?
Instead of not disjoint, they can be called as joint.
But they asked, are they disjoint or not?
Okay.
For
The disjoint is one whole term.
Okay, children? Yeah, next one. Children, they are asking A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D. Are they disjoint sets? Yes or no?
Not.
No, sir.
Not
Not
disjoint
disjoint.
because A is common.
A is
A
common,
is
sir.
common, not a disjoint. If one thing is also common, they are not called disjoint. Okay, children. Next one, same like this only, children. Small questions all. Last 2 questions. 2, 6, 10, 14 is there. And 3, 7, 11, 15. Are they disjoint?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
disjoint.
they are disjoint because
Disjoint.
no common elements are there. True. So if there are no common elements, if you are getting null set, they are called disjoint. And last one, children, small one they are asking. Very small one. Same question, children. This is also same question. Please try to cooperate with me. 2, 6, 10 is one element. Other elements are 3, 7, 11. Are they having any common?
No.
No, disjoint.
No, disjoint.
They are disjoint. They are disjoint. No common elements. Null set you are getting. So they are called disjoint sets, children. So disjoint sets means they don't have anything in common. So children, next exercise we will do tomorrow. Anyone have any doubts?